Here's how you change the saturation of an image online and completely for free. First of all, in your browser, you want to head over to the website pinetools.com. Then on the left side, click on Images. In this list on the right side here, search for Change Saturation and click on it. Under Input Image, click on Choose File. And then select the image on your computer you want to change the saturation for. Next, click on Open. To change the saturation of your image now, simply use this fader right here. By default, it is set to 50, so if you lower that value, you will actually decrease the saturation, and if you increase that value, you will increase the saturation. I will set it to 100 now, and let's see what happens. Don't forget to click on Execute at the bottom. And here's the result. Actually looks pretty great, right? On the other hand, if you would like to completely desaturate your image, you can also do that by simply moving this fader right here completely to the left. Don't forget to click on Execute again after making changes here to the saturation level. Our image now is actually completely in grayscale, so it is completely desaturated. Finally, once you're happy with the result, simply click on PNG, JPEG or WebP to save your new image on your computer, and you're all done. I actually want to have it more saturated, so I'll put that here to 100 again, and again I will click on Execute right here. And I will now save it as a JPEG on my computer by simply clicking here on JPEG. I will also give it a new name. And finally, I click on Save. And here's the final result. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.